Hello there, this is what I brought from Sam's Trains last time. It was on the Halloween. It was just a bit of fun. It was just a pumpkin on a flatbed wagon. Well, this time I brought something new from Sam's Trains, so now let's take a look. Now this is what has come from Sam's Trains via Epsi. It's like a balancing freight what Sam has made. I've forgotten exactly what I've ordered, but I know it's a balancing. Well, let's just open up and see. I've cleared all the packaging out the way in the cardboard box. Let's start off with this one. I think this looks like a hopper. There you go, there's the hopper. It's got metal wheels. I think the top comes off, I'm not sure. I'll have to find that out. And it's got, like I said, it's got metal wheels. We'll have to stick the couplings on in a minute. Let's open up another one. This looks like a bit like, it reminds me of one of Rocket Freight ones, but I suppose it'd be done slightly different. Notice that these have only got one set of wheels, because this is Uncle Fredrikson's amazing balancing freight wagons. Got nice side details like a plank wagon. You can see the little side bits. Open up this one. Another wagon, looks like a door on the side there. So a door both sides. So I just need to add some couplings to these. This looks a bit like a freight wagon, and you can see, or a brake van, you can see a wheel inside. I don't know how well you can, not sure how well you can actually see that, but there is actually just in there, you can see a wheel for the brake van. Just see it, little white thing in the middle there, inside. A little tank wagon there, and there's a little lid there where you don't suppose it actually comes off, but that's where you fill it up with water. Yeah, with this one, I don't think the roof does come off this one. This one, I don't think this comes off. I don't want to force it, but apparently, as you can see, the roof does come off this one. You can see a bit more inside, interior. There's the little handbrake, well not handbrake, but the wheel brake thing, and I think that's supposed to be a little chimney there. So let's put the couplings on, and then we put these couplings on. That's one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Now, according to Sam, you have to have at least two of these, otherwise it won't work. So let's put that to a test. Let's only put one on and see what happens.
Welcome to the Midland Model Railway. The Triple MR for sure.
We'll couple it up to the J15 here, the late BR. Now, obviously I can't, if I just let go, it's going to, so I can't do this like how you normally just back the train up, or say the locomotive. So I'm going to see what happens. I could do it like that. But that's not flat. Oh dear, it came off. Oh well. Well, that was a bit of fun. Nearly done a lap. Let's try it with the brake van. Again, it's not straight or flat. Oh, let's try. Oh, look at that. Well, that time it worked. And even went flat. Let's do one more lap. Let's see what happens. That's interesting as it went over the points. Oh, that's interesting. It went flat when it went over the points. Okay, well, let's put the other bits on now. Now it's all been coupled together, and let's put it on the track for the first time. So each wagon got its own wheels, so it's all very floppy because they've only got like 2 wheels, not 4 wheels they normally should have. So let's get this coupled. Oops, didn't like the sound of that. So let's send this around then. I think that works very well. I do like them. I do like the coupling. Got no issues with them. Do I dare speed up a little bit? Let's make it a bit faster. And I think, let's see what happens. Oops, something's uncoupled. Whoa. Okay, I thought something might happen like that. Okay, not too fast with these then. Well, let's continue from the bridge. And just for fun, let's add Sam's Train's Pumpkin Mobile, which is this one. Has a little face on it. So this is really, apart from the locomotive, all the freight is made by Sam's Trains. I think you get the idea now. So hope you enjoyed my little Sam's Trains Uncle Fredrikson's amazing balancing freight wagons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.